Hello children, we are here to discuss the 7th August assignment of botany, which is related to the topic RNA world and replication. So I'll share the paper with you and discuss all the questions which are listed in that particular assignment. So children, this is the paper of the 7th of August assignment. The first genetic material was, undoubtedly the first genetic material was RNA, from which evolved DNA. So answer to this question, children, will be the first option. Processes like metabolism, splicing, and translation, all these important processes like metabolism, that is the role in protein synthesis, splicing, that is removal of introns and joining of exons, translation requiring mRNA, tRNA, rRNA, have all evolved around RNA. Ribozymes are RNA acting as enzymes. So these are non-proteinaceous enzymes or RNA acting as enzymes. So we can call them as non-proteinaceous enzyme. So non-protein enzymes, we can call them. Fourth question, name the heavy isotope which was used by Messelson and Stahl for proving the semi-conservative mode of DNA. Children, it was ammonium chloride with heavy isotope, that is nitrogen 15. So answer will be the first option. So for the fourth, the answer is the first option. DNA polymerase is another name for DNA dependent DNA polymerase. As you know, children, that this is required for the process of replication, and replication has DNA as a template and the product is also DNA. So answer is DNA dependent DNA polymerase. Now next is question number 6. Okazaki fragments are short segments of replicated DNA which is formed from DNA template with polarity 5' to 3'. So children, if we see the replicating fork, okay, so this is the 3'. So children, this is the 3', 5', and this is the 5', 3'. Or in other words, if we just go by the NCERT, then we can mention this as 5' to 3', and then we can mention this as 3' to 5'. So here the continuous strand is synthesized and here the discontinuous strand is synthesized. So these discontinuous strands are called as the Okazaki fragments. They are called as the Okazaki fragments. So here you can see the polarity of the template strand is 5' to 3'. So Okazaki fragments are short segments of replicated DNA from DNA template with polarity 5' to 3'. On the template with polarity 3' to 5', the continuous strand is formed. The continuous strand is formed. So we are not going to take that. We will take the second as the answer. So answer is second. Which of the following, question number 7, which of the following DNA polymerase of prokaryotes have both 3', 5' and 5' 3' exonuclease activity? So answer to this question is, children, DNA polymerase 1. Clear? Then question number 8. In the presence of DNA replication, one strand of the DNA is conserved and another strand is newly synthesized. That is why we call it as the semi-conservative mode. So it is called as the semi-conservative mode. So answer is the first option. Okazaki fragments of the lagging strand is joined together by which enzyme? The Okazaki fragments will be joined together by DNA ligase. Evidence of replication on Vishya-Faba. So you know the Vishya-Faba experiment was done by Taylor. So answer to this question is children, the second option. So with this, we finish off the discussion for this assignment of 7th of August. Thank you.